Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Mia and Sofia. Brownies. This is our second episode, and this time we're actually gonna show you guys the end result.
Yeah,
because we didn't do that last. If you guys couldn't tell, she got a new kitchen.
Oh yeah. So if you saw last episode, it was a different kitchen. So yes.
Use this kitchen. It's a nice kitchen.
Yes.
Better than mine.
Just hope we don't, burn the house down, because things happened last time. We don't talk about that. Anyways. So we're gonna be needing a large saucepan, and then let's put that. Oh, that's heavy. Shall we turn the stove on? Okay. So can you measure half a cup of butter?
Sure, I can. Fill her up, guys.
So she will be putting the butter in the saucepan, and you might need a spoon. Oh, she's sizzling.
Who's your daddy?
Sizzling.
Sizzling, guys.
She's sizzling.
Guys.
She's big. Oh, this is my head.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Butter. I'll turn the fan on.
1 cup. So I don't spill anything. Oh my gosh. That baby.
That looks so satisfying. That thing is huge.
This is amazing. I'm gonna buy this from my house.
Oh, she's satisfying.
So this looks like
This is very difficult.
pea snow cones.
It literally looks like snow
You
cones.
feel? Pea. Pea.
Let's bring the eggs. And then can you crack 2 eggs in?
Whoa, orange eggs?
Break my pan. Yeah. Well incorporated. You know, look at that. It looks like syrup. One-third of a cup of cocoa.
Whoa, you
You hear that? You gotta beat in the cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. Make sure it is unsweetened, because if it's not,
You're diabetic.
yes. It calls for half a cup of flour. So, Mia, would you like to do the honor?
Sure.
Oh. Oh. Mix this. Why is it turning to dough? 250. We need 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon, okay. Very nice. Just whisk that all in, and then you should be all set.
We obviously need the pan that you made the brownie mix with. Duh. We got this. Nice.
8x8 greased pan, which we have not greased yet, so let's do that.
And then we have
Sorry. Handy dandy oil.
Then you got this.
You've done that. It's weird because you gotta put flour
gonna make really thin brownies.
Yeah.
Unless it rises.
So we're gonna be putting in our hand.
Oh, it's hot. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
We're going to be setting a timer. Should we just ask Google? Let's see how long we have to. Hey Google, set a timer for 20 minutes. Sponsored. And we're back. So the brownies have come out of the oven. They are looking mighty delicious. Why do I keep saying that? Anyways, it didn't really rise very much, but it's okay. It's still warm, so as you can see, we got our delicious frosting. So I guess just pour it on there, right? And, just smooth it out. Then you're gonna let it cool, and yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna try the brownies now.
We're gonna do a taste test. So it's not fully cool yet, but it's okay. So, okay, 2 wants to come out. That's okay. Ooh,
Nice.
Look at the
Perfect.
gooiness of the. Wow. No, there's there's
Wow. Definitely recommend this recipe.
It's actually really good.
You know what? Not bad. From scratch, you know? I never made brownies from scratch.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode 2 with Sophia.
And stay tuned for an episode 3. We might.
Yeah,
Make
maybe we
cookies
might
or
pull
something.
something.
Yes.
Comment down below what we should make. And if you don't comment, we're just gonna find something on our own. And we'll do it.
Yes. And the recipe will be in the description, so you guys should totally make this because it's really bomb.
Yeah.
And yeah, subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna do a
Subscribe.
vlog.
Up here, down below in the description. Do it. Cause she's gonna be back on the YouTube grind.
Maybe.
Don't take my word for it. But thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to her channel, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.